In this short tutorial, I will show you how to invert colors on your iPhone. Inverting colors can be useful for those who have difficulty seeing certain color combinations or for simply giving your device a different look. It's a quick and simple process that you can do in just a few steps. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down a bit, and tap Accessibility. After that, tap Display and Text Size. And then scroll down, and you'll see these two different invert options. You have Smart Invert and Classic Invert. So the Smart Invert reverses the colors of the display except for images, media, and some apps that use dark color styles. And the Classic Invert reverses the colors of the display along with everything it shows. Depending on your preference, you can select one of these two options. This is exactly how you can invert colors on your iPhone. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.